Hello, I'm Deepak Fadnis. Welcome to this series of translations of the Abhangas of Saint Tukaram from his Abhanga Gatha into English. As you may be aware, Saint Tukaram was a very great devotee of God who became a saint with his sheer love for God and name chanting. He is famous all over Maharashtra, and many people who study philosophy and saint literature all over the world know Saint Tukaram as a great devotee of God. During his lifetime, Saint Tukaram wrote an epic, which is a poetry consisting of more than 4,500 short verses called Abhangas. The name of his epic is Abhanga Gatha. Abhanga is a short verse. The meaning of that is something which is not destroyable. So, an Abhanga is a valid wisdom for all the ages. They are all beautiful. They describe God. They are full of love of God. And they are also full of wisdom on how to live your daily life. So I thought that this treasure is something which I must make it known to the world who doesn't understand Marathi. Outside Maharashtra, people who do not know Marathi should also be able to understand and appreciate the greatness of Saint Tukaram. So, with that intention, I have started translating these Abhangas into English. I hope you like my translations and do let me know. And today we are going to translate Abhangas 507 and 508. First, I will read Abhanga 507 in Marathi. माझ्या विठोबाचा कैसा प्रेमभाव आपणची देव होय गुरु पढिये देहभाव पुरवितो वासना अंती ते आपणापाशी न्यावे मागे पुढे उभा राहे सांभाळीत आलिया आघात निवारावे योगक्षेम त्याचे जाणे जड भारी वाट दावी करी धरून या तुका म्हणे नाही विश्वास ज्या मनी पहावे पुराणी विचारुनी. This Abhanga is a part of daily worship, daily routine practiced by a Varkari because it is a very touching Abhanga. In this Abhanga, Tukaram Maharaj is saying how lovely my God is. The first line itself is so beautiful. माझ्या विठोबाचा कैसा प्रेम भाव आपणची देव होय गुरु. This Lord Vitthal of mine is so much full of love, and what kind of great love he has for everybody. He is God and he himself becomes the Guru. This is what Saint Tukaram is telling right at the beginning. Very delicately, he is telling us in this Abhanga how God takes care of his devotees, how he saves them from dangers, and how God alone takes total responsibility for the well being of the devotee and his material world, his family, his wealth, his health. God takes care of everything. He is the giver of all, and he gives all that the devotee desires. Everything that the devotee desires is given by God to him. Now, these are the words of Tukaram Maharaj, and hence we get a very big assurance about our safety on this earth. A saint doesn't lie, and a saint has no reason to tell you something which is not true. When he says God gives everything to his devotee, we know God gives everything to his devotee. We have experienced this many times that whatever we wanted came to us even without asking. How God takes care of us. We all have experienced this. All we need to do is love God, chant His name, and surrender ourselves to God. Let us see the meaning of this Abhanga one line at a time. The first line is माझ्या विठोबाचा कैसा प्रेम भाव आपणची देव होय गुरु. How should I describe the love of my Lord Vithoba? He is my God and He alone has become my Guru. The second line, पढिये देह भाव पुरवितो वासना अंती ते आपणापाशी न्यावे. He gives everything that he likes to his devotees. Whatever devotee likes, he gives everything. And in the end, he brings the devotee to himself. Devotee will not go anywhere else, he will go directly to God. That is really the ultimate blessing. The third line, मागे पुढे उभा राहे सांभाळीत आलिया आघात निवारावे. He is continuously protecting the devotee by standing in front of him and also behind him. And if any calamity is about to come, he protects the devotee by getting rid of the dangerous situation. He will jump into the fray and he will save the devotee. योगक्षेम त्याचे जाणे जड भारी वाट दावी करी धरुनिया. That is the fourth line. He understands what the devotee needs for himself and he gives that thing to the devotee. God also holds the devotee's hands and makes him walk along the right path for his spiritual progress. What else do we want? He gives all our desires, he satisfies all our needs, and he walks us on the right path to spirituality. He makes sure that we do the right spiritual progress. He won't allow us to miss the road. That's so beautiful of the Lord Vithoba. And in the end, if somebody finds difficult to believe, Tukaram Maharaj says, Tuka mane nahi vishwas jamani pahave purani vicharuni. So this is not just what Tukaram Maharaj says. He says, if anyone has a doubt in his mind, if anyone finds it difficult to believe, whether God guides like this, whether God protects like this, or he doesn't, then let that person read the Puranas. You will get a confirmation from the Puranas also about what Tukaram Maharaj has promised us. Isn't it a lovely Abhanga? With this, we will complete this Abhanga, and I will like to move to the next, that is Abhanga 508. First, I will read the Abhanga in Marathi. सकळ धर्म मज विठोबाचे नाम आणिकते वर्म नेणे काही. काय जाणो संता निर्विले देवे करीती या भावे कृपा मज. तुका म्हणे माझा कोण अधिकार तो मज विचार कळो यावा. So this is basically only 3 lines, and this short Abhanga reveals a big secret for spiritual attainment. Tukaram Maharaj is saying in this Abhanga that apart from chanting the name of the Lord Vithoba, he doesn't know any other secret to reach God. There are no other secrets. And chanting God's name itself works. That is the key. There is no need to know any other method. Saint Tukaram is giving all the credit to the saints because of whom he has come to understand this. The basic mantra, chant the name of the God. Saints told this to Saint Tukaram and he believed it and he benefited. Tukaram Maharaj is telling us, let us believe him and let us benefit. I will just translate these few lines into English. The first line, Sakal Dharma Maza Vithobache Nama Anikate Varma Nene Kahi. I am able to successfully complete all religious practices just by chanting the name of the Lord Vithoba. If I chant the name of the Lord Vithoba, all the requirements of the religion are getting fulfilled. All the rituals are getting completed. Apart from this, I do not know any other secret. That is the first line. Second line, Kai jano santa nirvile deve karitiya bhave krupa maja. God has entrusted me to the saints. I wonder if that is the reason why they are always blessing me. God gave me to the saints. And because God gave me to the saints, I have a feeling that saints have taken special love for me. They are guiding me, they are loving me, and they are blessing me all the time. The last line, Tuka म्हणे माझा कोण अधिकार तो मज विचार कळो यावा. Tuka says, otherwise, what is the great authority that I have? I have no authority. What is the great authority that I have, because of which I have understood the main thought about the path of devotion? How is it that I have come to get this knowledge? I haven't done anything great to deserve to be awarded this knowledge. We must take the right message, the right clue, and do name chanting. As Saint Tukaram said, that I got the right message from the saints and I understood. So let us also understand the right message from Saint Tukaram Maharaj and just practice name chanting. That will solve all the problems of this material world and also for our spiritual growth and the darshan of the Lord Vithoba. I hope you liked my translations. Please read all the previous Abhangas also. Please see them. There are more than 500 Abhangas translated, and I would like to have your feedback. Thank you for listening to today's translations, and we will meet again for some more later. Till then, see you. Bye.